store today from 9 to 1. Be here for barbecue, a tour, a cackle fest. Joan and I are here from historic Garden Grove Main Street Car Show. Thank you, PC.
There we go.
TV, Patrick Comfort.
You got it. I'm no longer Paul.
I'm working hard.
Good job. And here's Rod.
Hardly working.
Yep. So, okay, well, cool. Let's keep walking around.
Yes,
all right, thank you.
Off the way.
We got Tony here.
Hey,
what's up, my
hey,
brother?
Thanks for coming out, man.
Thank you.
We're gonna have a great day here. We're gonna have some cackle cars going off. We got pinup models are showing up now. So
That's
we're gonna
fantastic.
have a great day, man. I really appreciate you coming out, Patrick.
Well, thank you. I I love you guys. So I'm going to get out here. It's, and it's gotten so much closer now too. It's like I'm over in Michigan, over in Westminster.
Oh, far out.
Yeah. So we're just walking around, taking a look. All right, brother.
Fantastic. All
Thank
right.
you, sir.
All right, you're welcome. There's
Piano Oas. Oh, Hembo's everywhere. Hembo is everywhere. Okay, Adam Stankus' wagon. That was a nice piece here. Adam's had this about as long as I've had his old buck. Just a few months. It's a good one though. Yeah. All right, Adam. Look at this. F100 blown. Looking good. This is a 671 on here? Jeez. Who the hell made this? Oh, it's a Mooney. Wow. Man, this thing's insane. With dual snipers? Wow. Okay, that's pretty crazy. Is Coyote motor? No? Those are dart heads. That's a big block. Man. Maybe yeah. I don't know. I don't know my Fords that well, you guys. You know that. I'm not a big Ford guy, but I'm getting more and more impressed every time I turn around and see something like this. It gets my attention. We got another F100 here, and these are my favorites of all the Ford trucks. I mean, hands down, my favorite. And of course, Robert Maldonado brought his 3100, small window. I had a 56 and a 55. This truck is just top notch, good LS conversion. Very clean. He's just done everything the right way on this truck. Everything's been done right. I know what's going to happen here later. That'll be a cackle fest, as we talked about. Cars for sale. Always love this Rambler wagon here. This thing's as cool as can be. Dig this wagon. Yeah, let's do a quick walk around on it. There you go. Casino's great. Couldn't ask for a nicer casino. Great stance. Love his wheel choice. Got a lot of good going on here. A lot of creamy goodness. Nice dash. There you go. Okay. Got a sled right here. Just a lot of folks rolling around. Nice skid. Got a couple Effies over here. Nice Effies. Love the bird. Oh, this is beautiful. You know me and my square bodies. Gotta have me in my square. 454 big block Suburban. You know this sucker was set up to tow a big ass trailer. That's what this thing was meant for. Was a family truck back in the day. All right. Hey, there's Heather's toaster. All right. Oh, and they got some work across the street. Look at that. Wow. Doing little flippies on me here. 442 Olds. I always hated to see these get wrecked in movies. Again, very nice. I think it's a what, 39 Ford pickup? You guys always correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know. Just chime in, reply in. 3100. Sweet one.
Patrick, you working it?
Baby, I am working it. We got all kinds of great stuff here.
You got evidence.
That's what they said, but you know what? They haven't had to prove anything.
Now you got an alibi.
No, I got an alibi. Good. I have no idea where where Jimmy Hoffa is. No idea. But I'm guessing that's where the name in the Hoffa hot dogs comes from.
Why not?
Oh man, we got a.
Please show an agree.
Dude, this is a 58. This isn't a Vaughn, right? He's just got. Oh, he did.
That's a big cat there, baby.
Oh, it is. Oh my God, it is. I didn't even realize. This has got some serious work.
Oh yeah.
Wow,
The Sultan.
56 from the Sultans. Look
Not
at
the
this.
Sultan's park logo.
Yeah, this is something good. This is good right here. Very nice, very nice. Look at the flake, dude. Like freaking metal shavings.
Yeah, I bet it's
Pretty pristine.
2.5 pounds.
2.5 pounds of flake. They had to use a Schutz gun. This thing is insane.
Yeah, exactly. We're just like a bastard.
And this is out Merciful's car. Don't want to walk across the top of his paint. Never cross the top of the paint with your stick. Don't want to do that. Get some interior here. Very nice. I can hear copyrighted music in the background. Okay, here is Tony Colombini's beautiful Ford. Uses his Fairlane here. Little tail end shot here. Oh, it's an official Mafia staff car too. Blacktop magazine. Hey, I know this pile of bolts. Yeah, I've been driving the Frankentown lately. The bug has been kind of down, not in its best of shape. Needs some motor work and a few things done to it, so the shop truck is what I've been driving. It's old reliable, man. This is Bear's truck, as everybody knows, my old dog Bear. I miss him. So let's keep cruising around. Okay. Great to build here. Convertible. This Fairlane. 5-window coupe. Oh, dude, look at this guy. He's on wire. Wire and drums, man. This is getting... That's crazy right there. When you're going that route, that's nuts. All right, Cambra shop truck. Ms. Tammy. Hello. Of course, Embo everywhere you look.
Yeah, baby. Donuts.
It's like they've cloned you. They've cloned Embo. Okay, there's funky big countries. Grande. Oh, dude, nice Ranchero. Decent Ranchero. Michael's car. She's a pretty one. Nice interior. Alright, so I'm gonna have to shut her down because we've got music over here. So that's as far as I can go because we've got music rolling. So let's try to drown that out as best I can. Hopefully I don't get shut down. Anyway, great crowd here. You can see it's picking up. They're gonna have food down here today.
You know that. It's a great place. Great. Every Friday night, on Main Street. And so they're over here. We're going to have some pulled pork sandwiches and some other great stuff coming on later. We got vans in the back. You're welcome to walk around the shop, check out all the cars and the projects going on. Reid's Rod Parts is your store for any hot rod parts you need, of course. And not only can will they sell you the parts, they'll put them on for you too if you need that. So it's a real true speed shop. Diana, do you want to make an announcement? All right. Brian from Surf City Classics, come on up. All right, all right. All right, everybody, settle down, get a seat, because Ryan's going to make an announcement.
Hey, first of all, it's really good to see Ron out today, healthy, walking amongst us. Our prayers were answered, so God bless you, Ron, and your family, and doing this today for all you guys. So round of applause at Cambra Speed Shop and all the boys.
Yeah!
Really quick, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Surf City Classics had a member just pass away not too long ago, Ranchero John. He left behind his 6-year-old son and his wife Adalia. And Longboards has been very gracious to us. March 8th, with this Monday, March 8th, they will be giving 20% of the proceeds, alcohol and food, to the Ranchero John's family. And then also we're having a silent auction. And if you see here, Johnny Martinez hand did this deck. It's pinned by Johnny, handmade. It was painted, candy, it has a flake in it. It's really nice, and it's going to be there for auction. There's going to be all kinds of stuff, wiring jobs, oil changes, tire rotations, you name it. I think there's 30 or 40 things at the silent auction. It's going to be all day at Longboards. Please come out and support it, and thank you guys for listening. Let's have a great day. God bless you all.
All right, all right. Thank you very much. Appreciate that.
Thank you, Brian, from Surf City Classics.
That's right. So our raffle today, the event goes on till 1, so we'll be doing the raffle around 12, 12:30, something like that, after you guys got a belly full. So come on up, we got some different chargers from Optima and Odyssey and Die Hard. We got all kinds of fun stuff here for you gearheads. And of course, Blacktop Magazine. But I really want to thank you guys all for coming out. What a great turnout from SCC. Thank you for coming out, everybody. And let's enjoy the day. It's a beautiful day here in Southern California. Right on.
All right.
Oh, and Adam's got Girl Scout cookies out of the back of his Bel Air wagon here.
Whoa.
So we'll see Adam grab a Girl Scout cookie or two and help them out. All right.
Nice.
Thank you all.
All right. Okay, guys, that's the walk around. We're going to get into the shop here later. But as you can see, there's a great turnout here. Going to be a lot of folks hanging out. And just come on down, man. Come on down. PCTV, SCC, like and subscribe. 1,000 subscribers and we can run live. Thank you.